Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Let's solve a super fun Math Kangaroo 2022 puzzle for grade 1 and 2. We will be solving problem 13 to 18, which will mark as part C. Get your thinking caps on and let's have some fun. Ready? Problem 13. The sum of the 5 numbers in each house is 20. Some numbers have been painted over. What number is hidden under the question mark? These are our options. So there are some numbers visible and there are some numbers which are painted over. We have to find the number underneath this question mark. The sum of the number on one house is 20 and same is here. So if we'll plus 6 plus 2 plus 5 plus these two numbers, it should be 20. So we have 6 plus 2, that is equal to 8. 8 plus 5 gives us 13. But the sum should be 20. So what number is missing? We do 20 minus 13 gives us 7. So the sum of these two circles is 7. We know the sum of this number is 20. We add 7 plus 3 gives us 10. 10 plus 7 gives us 17. How much left? 20 minus 17 gives us 3. So if this number is 3, then the sum of all these circles should be 20. So our answer is A, 3. Problem 14. Jessica wrote 5 digits and then covered each digit with a shape. Different digits were covered by different shapes, and the same digits were covered by the same shapes. What number is written under the shapes? These are our options. So it says that the different digits were covered by different shapes and the same digits were covered by the same shapes. Now let us see which are the two same shapes. Then we would be able to find which are the two same digits. So we have here 4. So that is right. So A could be our answer. B, no, we removed it. C could be, D could be, E, there is no second and third digits are same, so we eliminate it. Now we will compare A, C and D. Now different digits were covered by different shapes. So we have, if 4 is the digit under the diamond, then there should not be a 4 in N. So this is not our answer and we eliminate it. Again, we have heart and spade. They are different, but this digit is same, so this is not our answer. So remaining is option D, and that could be our answer. If you are enjoying these videos and want to help me make more, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Your support means a lot. Now let's move on to problem 15. Kangu's car can only turn left. Which of the following 5 routes can Kangu take? These are our options. Now let's figure out Kangu's left turns. So if Kangu starts from this point and turn left, he will face this direction. From there, another left turn would look like this. And another left turn would look like this. And from there, this will go up. So Kangu has to follow this pattern. So if he is going upward, then he should be going towards left. And if he is going towards left, he should be going downwards when he turns. So any shape that follows this left turn pattern will be the correct answer. Now let's look at the first shape, which is our option A. We start here and go left. Then the next left should go downward, which is correct. After that, the next left should point towards the right, which is also correct. So this left is coming down, but it's supposed to be going up, following our pattern. So if this is going this direction, then it should be going up direction. So this is not our answer. So option A is not our answer. Let us follow option B. So Kanga moves down first And if it's going down, then our pattern says that it should be going towards the right. So the kanga is going towards left. So this is not our option. Option C. So when kanga starts upward, according to our pattern, he should be going towards left, but instead he is going towards right. So this is not our option. Option D. Kangaroo starts from here. When it's moving upwards, he should be going left. It's going right. That is not right. So D is not our option. Option E. Kangaroo starts towards up, going towards left, coming down, going towards right, and it turns left though, and then going up. So we follow this pattern. So after upwards, it should be onto the left side, and then from left down, and from down it should be right. And it is following. So when it is upward, it goes, arrow goes towards left, and then comes down, then going towards right, going up. When it goes up, it should go towards left, and then from left goes down, and from downwards if it is, then it should go right, and then goes up and again. So option E is following our pattern, and this is our correct answer. So option E is our answer. Problem 16. Lily wants to choose 4 different cards so that the sum is 20. What is the biggest number that Lily could choose? These are our options. So let's start with biggest number, that is 13. So we choose 13. Now it is 7 far from 20. So let's choose 3 numbers whose sum is 7. So we choose 1, 3, 4. 1 plus 3 gives us 4. And now we are 2 apart. So there is no number 2. So there's 13 we cannot choose. So we removed it. Now let's pick 11. So 11 is how far away from 20? It is 9 away from 20. Now we have to find 3 cards with sum 9. So let us pick 1 for sure. So we pick 1. Now we need 8. So we see that 5 plus 3 makes 8. So our numbers are 3 and 5. So if we pick 11, 5, 3, 1, it gives us 20. So our answer is option D, 11. You can try picking other options as well and see if your answer matches. Problem 17. There are 5 numbered cards on the table as shown. You may swap 2 cards at each step. What is the smallest number of steps needed to put the cards into decreasing order from largest to smallest? These are our options and these are our cards. Now let us swap these cards together. So let's bring it up in a clear screen. So we have cards 3, 4, 1, 5 and 2. And we will start with our move 0. The first move. So we will take the biggest number and swap it to the first position, and then 3 would go on 5 position. So this is our first move. So this will look like this and our move is first. Now 4 is the next largest number. The next largest number is 3. So we need to find 3 after 4. So we replace it and we move it. So our second move is this. That is our second move. Now the next largest number is 2. So we replace 2 and 1 and it will look like this, and our move is 3. So we have 3 moves. So our answer is option C, 3. Problem 18. In the picture, different shapes stands for different numbers. The numbers shown and the question mark indicate the sum of the numbers in the row or column. So this is our picture and we have different shapes. And this number represents the sum of these shapes. which number should be written in place of the question mark? So we have to find the number for this question mark. These are our options. So let's solve this problem. So what we know from this problem is that we have three similar shapes of same type, that is three squares whose sum is 18. Now we have to distribute this 18 among these squares equally. How we can do it? We know that 3 times 6 is 18. So that means we can distribute that 3 squares in 6 equal parts. Now we have square, we replace all the square with number 6. Now let's follow through this picture. We have 6, 2 triangles and 14. So what is remaining in here? Its remaining is 14 minus 6 gives us 8. So 8 is remaining, but we have same shape, so we'll distribute 8 in two of this triangle, so it becomes 4. So a triangle becomes a 4. So any triangle we can replace with 4 now. Now we have to determine circle. So we'll go this one this time. So we have 4, circle, 4, 10. So how much are the sum of this triangle? 4 plus 4, 8. What is remaining? 10 minus 8 gives us 2. So 2 is remaining, that is our circle. So now we have all the numbers assigned to this shape. Now we have to determine this question mark. So we have 6 plus 4 plus 2, that is 12. So our answer is option B, 12. So with this, we wrap up part C of 2022 Math Kangaroo. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.